Are you looking to get your life back in shape? Get that job you've always wanted or earn extra cash? Then you must have come across people suggesting you try manifestation. Manifesting is a powerful meditation exercise that has been used for centuries to change lives in positive ways. However, cracking the code to manifest is no joke. There are plenty of meditation programs out there that claim to have the secret to unlocking your manifestation abilities. Manifestation 3.0 is a similar popular audio program developed by Mary Lee that promises to turn your life around. But is the program worth the hype? What is Manifestation 3.0? As per various studies, meditation has shown to have a profound effect on our brain. Thus, using research backed by institutions such as Harvard University, Mary Lee has designed Manifestation 3.0, an audio program created to tap into your real manifestation potential. Lee found out that people are unable to manifest their dreams because of their shrinking frontal cortex. The audio files included in Manifestation 3.0 initiate the regrowth of neural pathways in the brain's frontal lobe that in turn causes your frontal lobe to start growing again. How does Manifestation 3.0 work? Usually, it takes years of meditation to enhance manifestation abilities by growing the frontal cortex. According to the well-known Harvard neuroscientist Sarah L. you need a minimum of 8 weeks of intense meditation to see any growth in the frontal lobe. However, now you can achieve the same effects with Manifestation 3.0. You only have to follow a simple nightly routine of listening to the audio program as you lie in your bed to go to sleep. The tracks are created to automatically set your brain to meditation mode, as per the author. The carefully engineered sounds in Manifestation 3.0 take your brain into meditation mode. This way, you don't have to spend hours meditating and instead rebuild your frontal cortex without putting in any real work. Manifestation 3.0 benefits. The Manifestation 3.0 program has several benefits that make it stand out amongst other similar products. 98% of all people that try meditation stop because they fail to see any results. But this program comes with simple and easy to follow instructions, and you don't have to wait for months to start manifesting. The digital format of the audio files makes them easy to play anytime, anywhere. The audio files also calm your mind, so you get better sleep at night while rebuilding the frontal lobe of your brain. The Manifestation 3.0 program automatically turns on your brain's hyper-meditation mode. No need to sit for hours to meditate, just press play and listen. Final verdict. There are various lengthy manifestation programs available today, made by so-called gurus. But frankly speaking, none of these do what they claim. Manifestation 3.0, on the other hand, is a different story. This easy-to-follow audio manifestation program takes your manifestation abilities from 0 to 100 in the minimum amount of time. It's backed up by research from Harvard University and boosts your manifestation abilities to the highest level while also improving your self-confidence. With all that in mind, Manifestation 3.0 is undoubtedly a winner in our books.